You know the guide in here when you are having a hard time, look at the first word on top. How will you say that? Ah, bald. Call. So the sound would be ah. And then this one, bold, bold. O, O, and ah. O and ah. Right? Comparison practice, listening, practice one. Bold, bald, coal, call, coat, caught, choke, chalk, close, cloth, don't, daunt, flow, flaw, ghost, gauze, no, gnaw, hole, haul. 11. Joe, jaw, low, law, mole, mall, pose, pause, sew, saw, scold, scald, stoke, stalk, stole, stall, tote, taught, vault, vault. E1. You can drop it in the hole, hall. Is Tim bold, bald? I put the ball on the table. Is this the shirt that you saw? Is this the shirt that you saw? Let me take the call. I need a lawn. Tim was shocked at the cost. Can you pause for me? Sam told me what he knows. Dan got scalded because he was drunk. Comparison practice. 1. Paul stroked the small toad. 2. The walls were covered with gross cockroaches. 3. Grab the bow and arrow and crawl on the lawn. 4. The faulty stove always makes so much smoke. 5. My jaws hurt from gnawing at raw goat meat. 6. Eating too much salt and malt makes your bone grow slower. 7. My boss hopes that almost all small stalls in the mall closed. 8. Unload all the balls from the haul truck because Austin will hit the road tomorrow. 9. A hawk yawned as the mole tried to maul it with its slow paw. 10. Don't throw snow at the old folks or you'll get called to the office. Okay. Homework part. E, a, a, o, oo, o, ah. 2. A hawk yawned as the mole tried to maul it with its slow paw.